gonna decorate 2 trees. This is the Christmas staging area. 'Tis the season. One of the dumbest things I've ever done in my life. As you can see, my entire plan is ruined. Hello, my fellow Halloween enthusiasts. Candy bucket. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. We're taking care of all this today. Bit of a mess. That's fine, we're fine, it's fine. Today is another get stuff done kind of day. That tree's not lit. Better. I'm gonna decorate 2 trees, but they're little ones. There's not enough going on them to like justify an entire video for those trees. It's a whole thing I'll show you. I gotta just like tidy up some stuff. You can tell it's like in between holidays. This is what it looks like between like summer and Halloween, and then it will look like this again when I am transitioning into Christmas. Blah, blah, blah. Here's what is gonna be going down today. 2 trees, a candy bucket themed tree and a skeleton themed tree. Yes, we're gonna tidy up the studio. We're gonna like put things away, see where we're at. We're gonna see what I need to kind of have pre-prepped, like not pre-prepped for Christmas, but like pre-prepped. I think that's all that's really going on today. Here we go. Let's like figure out what we're gonna do first. Okay, I think we're going to tidy up first. Clean up the mess before we make a new mess. Pro decorator tip. But first things first, I have to put shoes on. Listen, I have this thing where I'm just more productive. I have more like motivation and stuff like that if I'm wearing cute shoes. Not just any shoes, they gotta be shoes that give me confidence. Shoes that make noise and have a heel and are cute. Otherwise, I'm just not interested. Basically, if it's not cute, I don't want anything to do with it. Maybe I'm just a fairy in real life. Today, though, we're going for more of a witchy vibe. Not on purpose. That's just how it happened. See what I mean? 'Tis the season. Get off the floor, dingus! It doesn't feel like progress, but it kind of looks like progress depending on where you look. Really, organizing is just moving things from one place to another. That's cool. I have to show you something funny. This is the Christmas staging area. Look, this is enough stuff to do 1 tree twice. I've got an idea. I think I'm gonna do a big reveal of like the trees I want to do this year for Christmas, but later, not today. They're not all the way finalized yet, so. But there's sneaky peeky of what's gonna be going on. So lots of fun secondhand things I've got. I'm gonna do a haul later also of all the secondhand Christmas stuff because we're doing secondhand Christmas this year. Over here, I have the bins that need to go upstairs. The bottom one is like it's all my Halloween decorations, and the top bin is the Halloween decorations that wouldn't fit in the bottom bin, and garbage. Cool. We're gonna put some trees together now because that's what we're all really here for. Let's decorate more Halloween trees because 1 is not enough. Behold the other Christmas closet. Here's what we're dealing with today. We're gonna decorate the black tree and the white tree. Look at these burnt out bulbs. This is why you buy LED. This one's completely burnt out. This one's burnt out on the top. So will we lose the feet? Probably. We did it! I'm an independent woman. I forgot that there's things in here that are supposed to go on those trees. Not only are they in the bin that I closed up, but they're in the bottom of the bin I closed up. Here's what we've got going on for these two trees. Candy buckets here. These are so cute. I'm gonna link these below. I know we're doing secondhand this year, but I have used these for like 6 years in a row. I'm able to use them on like every Halloween. They hang on a tree great. They look cute on shelves. And because they come with pumpkins, skulls, and Frankenstein's monster, they're just versatile. So like I've been able to use them in a bunch of different ways. Because if you can get something like this, it just makes the decorating that much easier, and then you don't need a bunch of stuff. See, so like my Halloween tree, and I think I talked about this in the video making it. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it. But like this, okay, very Halloween-y. The candy corn, very fall Halloween-y. The bats, very, very Halloween-y, right? After that, there's nothing else very Halloween themed on this tree. It just works because it's the right colors, like orange, black, and white. This black and white ribbon is for Christmas, okay? This is regular fall like wreath ribbon. Black poinsettias. Black Christmas flowers. They have an actual like indigenous name that I need to go and remember because that's what they're actually called. It's a whole thing. They're black flowers, so they work on the Halloween tree. So my point is, it like you can combine colors of things that you would otherwise use at Christmas time. Green ribbon, Christmas ribbon. I bought that at Christmas time at Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Christmas ribbon. If you can have just one or two things that makes it the theme, you can pick from the rest of your collection to put something together so that it doesn't have to like be all new stuff for one theme tree. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Candy buckets are gonna go on this tree. I have my daughter's candy bucket. She has trick-or-treated with this like 4 years or something. Okay, so like regular $1 candy bucket that I had my engineer husband drill a hole in. Hello, it's gonna be the topper. Skull ones are gonna go on the black tree. I need to go find the topper that I want to use for the skull tree. Oh my gosh, it's in the bin. They're both gonna be very, 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 very simple to show that you don't have to do all of this to have like a really cute Halloween tree. If you want to have a Halloween tree, but you only have like one thing to put on it, that's kind of like the vibe that I'm going for. Very minimal, but adorable. Let's do it. I just remembered that these don't light up. And my lights with a white cord are on that tree, but you can't really tell on camera. There's blinking orange lights on this tree. Can you see them? They are not translating well to camera, and I really, really like them. But I think I'm gonna try to take them off to put them on the white tree because they're on a wire and that won't show up on the white tree. And then I have a strand of green lights that I can put on the black tree because the green cord does show up. We can make it work. I've used it before, and when you get stuff on it, it's not super noticeable, and we'll really shove them in there because I have no other option, and that's just what's gonna happen. Step one is trying to take the orange lights off this tree without ruining anything on it. I decorated that yesterday and I already have to take part. Oh my gosh. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Got it, but holy crap. One of the dumbest things I've ever done in my life. Okay, maybe not my life, but for Halloween trees, that was pretty stupid. Now we can do that. That will have to do for floofing. These super cheap, like $20 3-foot pre-lit trees that you could get from At Home, Walmart. Oh, they are really difficult to work with. Sometimes it's your only option. I get that. I tell you this so that you can go into it with the appropriate expectations. There's a deer outside. Stand by. There's my fawn friend. But don't worry, Mama's right up there. I saw her too, and they live here, so they're around all the time. We love them. Okay, is that where we were? There we go, yeah. All right, I know you cannot see those, but they're there. I'm too short. Please be cool. Please be cool. So that there. Okay, maybe. Is it cute or is it dumb? Or is it both? You know, I'm not mad at it. They're meant to be super simple and cute. Wish I had a second set though, just so that I could have way more on there. But like, I mean, this guy's not cute. He's spooky and freaky, but I have had that for so long. I think they're fun. You can't see the orange lights. Maybe if I get so if I get close, you can see them. They're like up there and it's cute. And they're gonna look fantastic in my living room if I can find a place to put them. I think I'm gonna take them upstairs. I can't film and carry them at the same time. So you're gonna have to just use your imagination on how this is gonna go. All right, I got them upstairs. That one, okay, yeah. Awesome, this one is gonna go here on this shelf. But I have to like clean it up first and rearrange things because it's too tall. So let's do that. As you can see, my entire plan is ruined. I gotta think. I got it figured out. Just kidding, I'm not peeing. My husband's getting water from the fridge. I put everything back here. She was never here, except this a little cleaner. I put the skull one over here, and then I put the pumpkin one right at the front door. Okay, that's it. We've got Halloween decorations in the living room. See? Look, I didn't even clean up. Anyway, it's fine. Perfect timing because my neighbor is now mowing, which means it's time to end. Look at that framing, except for that crooked tree. That's why it lives down here, because it's legitimately broken and I gotta do something about that. I get to just pause for a few weeks before I dive into Christmas. So I think that's what's gonna be like next, which is wild. Thanks for hanging out with me to get this stuff done. Thank you so much for being here. I really love you. And until we meet again, sparkle on.